guys, welcome to another unboxing video. We have one box today. And here we go. We got some movies, Supernova. Raisin, it's really good. My kids love that one. Rocks in My Pocket. We have a desk here on the edge, paper bag. A cute kids picture book, Just Be Jelly. We have the Menopause Manifesto. She's really fun and great. Across the Tracks. We have The Northwest is Our Mother. America and Iran. Oh, it's a heavy one. Just some light reading. What is this one? The Shadow List. Flashback movie. Vanishing Monuments. What If Peg? That one looks good. Hurry Home. Oh, we have Christina Loren's latest, The Soulmate Equation, a good rom-com. Jenny Colgan, Sunrise by the Sea. Prodigal Son. We've got Guide to Stillwater Trout Fishing. And more picture books. One called Odd Bird. Wee Jane. Are you eating an orange? You are naked. Chasing Painted Horses. Without Carrie. Look at that cover. Bridgerton, the next in the series, for those who want to read ahead. Happy Hour. Moon of the Crusted Snow, sorry. Let's see what's hiding over here. We've got Please Yourself. Another one hiding, The Last Fallen Star by Rick Riordan Presents. Usually means it's a good middle grade read. The Cutest Thing Ever. Magic City. Swimming Back to Trout River. Name and Tame Your Anxiety, a kid's guide. Kat Martin, The Perfect Murder. Lots of good beach reads in this one too. Jack Tapper, The Devil May Dance. Stay Where I Can See You. The Thursday Murder Club. I like that cover too. And the last one in this box is Dream Girl. So if you see anything you like, give us a call or email and we can put it on hold for you. When it's ready to go out, you'll get a call from us. Thanks.